when the oil hot, we're gonna crack an
over
egg
medium.
in here. Yeah, over medium.
I'm gonna do it on here or on the table?
Yeah, you can do anywhere, but sometimes the eggshell very thin.
Yeah.
You might do like,
Oh yeah.
and then you go lower drop, but wait
Okay.
until the oil is really hot.
Okay.
Because if the oil is not hot, it gets stuck in the wok. Good. The yolk still alive.
Yes.
Put the hot oil on top, but you don't
So you
need
never
to.
flip it. You just cook it.
It's my personal thing that I don't like to flip the egg.
Great.
You can do, but
So you're basting it.
yeah, you wanna when you serve it look nicer when your yolk on top it looks so good. You can
agree.
see yolks in the
Yeah.
middle, but some people flip it. Of course
And
you
you're
can.
more likely to break it, especially if you're an amateur like we are.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at that beautiful egg, brown, crispy. Good job. You can add water or chicken stock anytime, but we try to dilute the oil, right? You can add anytime after the pork cook or not cook, but you fry to dry. You don't want to burn. You add water or chicken stock or pork stock, you know.
Okay.
Look
All
at
right.
that. Wow.
Wow, that looks.
So
Even the flies like it.
beautiful. Wow.